gotta sit for that cash. I'll be the rubber band, you'll be the match. I will be a fuse. Boom.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm coming with another wig review from Sensationnel's Cloud9 What Lace collection in the style Zelena and the color number 2. This wig does feature HD lace with a pre-plucked hairline. This is the wig fresh out of the pack, just plopped onto my wig head. She does come with baby hairs, and here is a close-up of the hairline on the wig. So I am doing light plucking along the hairline. I have completed the plucking on this side of the unit. And here's the difference from this side. So you can see that there is a difference. And I'm going to go ahead and continue plucking the other side. All right, so I have finished plucking the wig, and here is the finished product. I have also gone in with my hot comb to flatten out the top. So I am definitely understanding the hype behind Miss Zelena. Y'all, I know I'm new to the party with this one, and I'm beating myself up about it because I wish I had got to her sooner, and I'm definitely getting her in this color and some of these other ones too, because she's a vibe. She's a vibe so far. Zelena comes from Sensationnel's Cloud9 What Lace collection, and baby, what's lace? Like, the lace was so easy to work with, so easy to lay. She does come pre-plucked, but as you saw earlier in the video, I showed you clips where I did go in and do some light plucking. But baby, when I tell you Zelena is a vibe, and I'm definitely gonna get me some backups of her, but she gets a yes from me so far. But we're gonna go ahead and put Miss Zelena to the test. I did tack her down using the Eben lace spray and the Eben melting spray. So she's on here. She is on here, and she's not coming off tonight. So we're gonna give her a wear test. When I lay my wigs down, I can typically get about 5 to 7 days in her. So we're gonna see if Miss Zelena will last throughout 7 days of me wearing her, sleeping in her, everything. I'm gonna be coming back here every night to give you guys an update and show you what she's looking like. And yeah, let's see how many days of wear we can get with Miss Zelena. If you like these type of videos, let me know in the comment section, and then also hit that subscribe button so that I know that you like this, and I'll go ahead and I'll do a wig wear test on more synthetic units. And did I mention that Miss Zelena is synthetic? If I didn't mention that, yes, Miss Zelena is synthetic, honey, and she looks bomb. These companies have really been coming through lately with these synthetic wigs. But yes, you guys, so this is day one. I just installed her, so I will be back tomorrow night to show you what she's looking like. Hey guys, all right, so it is the next day. We are in day 2 of wearing Sensationnel What Lace Zelena. Actually, the first full day of wearing the wig. And I have been out all day, out and about. I actually haven't brushed through it in a few hours, and I didn't want to brush through it before I came on camera to show you what it looks like. But this is what it looks like after not being brushed for a few hours. I want to say maybe about, I don't think I've brushed this thing in about 5 hours today. I do carry a little paddle brush with me in my purse to brush it throughout the day, because there are some tangles, some snags that you'll get. It is a synthetic unit, and as you can see, like, it may look okay, but I need to brush through it. So I wanted to come on here and show you what it looked like a few hours after actually running a brush through it. So let's go ahead and brush her out. I haven't gotten any shedding, which is surprising because I not only cut the lace, but I also plucked the unit some as well. But I have not gotten any shedding. But as far as tangling goes, I'm not sure if you're able to see it. You may not be able to see it very well, but trust me, those tangles is there. But that's okay, because ain't nobody supposed to be trying to run their hands through your wig anyway. She held up very well for the first full day, and I'm gonna go ahead and brush her out and wrap her up for the night. I am going to be using the Simply Styling Silk spray, light silk spray. I use this. This is pure silicone spray, and I spray this on my synthetic wigs, and it just helps gets through any tangles. I'm kind of going kind of light, heavy on it, but you really don't want to go too heavy with this product just because you don't want your wigs to get too greasy or shiny. So I'm brushing the wig from the bottom, brushing all the kinks out, brushing the wig from the bottom. And then now that I'm closer to the top, I am brushing the wig through, all the way through. The brush is now gliding all the way through the wig now. And that side is brushed out. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. All right, so here's the wig all brushed out. I'm going to go ahead and wrap her up for the night and get ready to go to bed. And I will see you guys tomorrow to give you an update on day 3. Hey y'all, I'm not even gonna lie to you. This is not day 3. This is not even day 4, baby. We are on day 5. Okay, we on day 5. I'm so sorry I didn't come back days 3 and 4. One of them days I just flat out forgot. And the other day, child, I was just tired and I was just ready to wrap the hair up and get into bed. But we're on day 5, and baby, we are still going strong with Miss Zelena. Now, I have not combed through the hair in a few hours, probably since right before I got off work, which was about a couple of hours ago. But Miss Zelena is holding up very well, y'all. I did have to go in and like relay my ear tabs, but that doesn't have anything to do with the hair. And then you'll see I am getting some tangles. I am getting some tangles in the hair, but I don't have my brush here with me, but they brush out super easy and the hair still looks really, really good. So far, so good. I think we are going to be able to make it to day 7. Here are the ends. The ends look really good, you guys. Usually ends on a synthetic wig, sticking to my lip gloss. Usually in the ends on a synthetic wig start to look like really dry and ratty. But these ends, I don't know if you guys can see because it's so dark, but these ends still look really, really good. So y'all, if y'all don't know by now, this is your memo. This is your hint to go and grab Sensational What Lace Zelena, because you know what? I'm pretty sure we're going to make it to day 7. When I wrap my synthetic wigs up at night, I typically just put it into two Bantu knots. I put my silk scarf around my edges, around the hairline, and I put in 2 Bantu knots and put it in a scarf or bonnet. And that's how I wrap up my synthetic wigs at night. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, this might even get me beyond a week. Stay on lip gloss. This might even get me beyond a week. Hey guys, it's a new day. We have actually surpassed day 7. I did not come back like I said I was, y'all. I've been terrible with this video, but we have surpassed day 7, you guys. We are on day 8 in Zelena, and this is how she is looking. I honestly just unwrapped her. I haven't really brushed through her or anything, just because I want you guys to see what it's giving without the brushing. But look how I had a quick snag there, but look how my hand is rubbing through her. Again, I wrap my hair up in 2 Bantu knots when I wrap them up at night. But y'all, the verdict on Sensational What Lace Zelena is in, because yes, I will definitely recommend her. You guys, I've gotten to day 8 with this $40 synthetic wig, and the only reason that I'm taking her off, I honestly feel like I can get another week in her, but the only reason that I'm taking her off is because I have more wig reviews to do. But she is going into the closet and she will be reapplied at a later date. The ends are still looking good on Zelena. She is not dried out or ratty or anything. But yes, so that is the verdict on Sensational Wet Lace Zelena. It's a definite yes for me. If you have not tried her out or have not picked her up yet, I definitely recommend that you go ahead and add her to your wig collection. And yes, that is it. You guys, thank you so much for rocking out with me during the video. Leave me a comment and let me know what your thoughts are on Zelena. Please also hit the subscribe button because it really helps out my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.